How to fix wireless charging not working in Poco X8 Pro. First of all, restart device. Press volume up and power button same time. Now here you see two options, power off or reboot. And if you want to restart device, then this icon swipe down. After swipe down, restart your device. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting. Now in settings, search update software. Now click on system updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, enable wireless fast charging. Open setting, scroll down, click on battery. Now here you will see wireless fast charging option, and if you want to enable wireless fast charging option, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, enable wireless fast charging from your phone. This is how you can fix wireless charging not working in Poco X8 Pro. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.